Welcome back to Your Carolina, the Hogan brothers. Now, altogether, that would be Sean, Patrick, and Bill, and they have all kind of fulfilled a lifelong dream of working together with a business that bears the family name, and you guys build quality, just amazing craftsmanship when it comes to homes. And we have Sean here, one of the brothers.
Three Irishmen, in fact.
It sounds like it.
Yeah.
Three Irishmen.
It really does. And then we want to talk to you. We could talk about a lot of things when it comes to building with Hogan Properties, but we want to talk about one thing specifically today, and that is energy efficiency.
Right.
And I know we've all heard a term called Energy Star homes.
Yes.
Can you tell us what that is?
Well, the Energy Star program is a certification through the EPA, and if people look at appliances, and you'll see the Energy Star logo on everything from dishwashers to radios and toaster ovens, and they're just identifying different things that we can consume that are more energy efficient. And in 1992, they applied that towards housing. Excuse me, I think it was 2002, but anyway, they have a third-party verification, and we go through all the systems within the home, the heating and air, and the ultimate goal is to make the house 15% more efficient than a house built to the 2004 International Building Standard, which means that if your house was built prior to that standard, it's about 20 to 30% more efficient. And that's a minimum standard. I mean, the homes achieve a lot more efficiency than that.
Could you compute that in dollars and cents? Maybe give us an example?
Well, if you say a minimum standard that you're going to save 15% of your utility bills, so, I mean, because it varies from the size of house you might have. If you live in a 2,000 square foot house versus a 4,000 square foot house, your savings are going to be different. But where really I don't think people realize is about 16% of our greenhouse gases are emitted from our houses we live in. So if we can reduce that number through housing, we can certainly go a long way to avoid climate change and global warming, and also make it a lot more efficient.
Well, now, when Hogan Properties was out there deciding that they wanted to go in this direction, you chose Energy Star because why?
Well, really, it was because of the third-party verification. There's a number of different programs out there that help builders build a more energy efficient, or a greenhouse, if you will.
Right.
But we like the aspect that with the Energy Star program, there is a third-party verifier that comes out and inspects the house at 2 different stages and makes sure that the items that were installed to be more energy efficient are actually performing the way they're supposed
Because if
to.
they're not installed correctly, they may not be performing correctly.
Correct. And with an Energy Star home, you get a complete detailed audit of your house. I mean, they measure everything. They do blow-door tests. They check the ducts. They measure every aspect of the house, and then they provide that report back to the consumer.
Okay.
So not only do you get your anticipated savings, but you have those documented for you.
Well, how savvy is the public? How often do people just come to you and say, "Now I want a greenhouse. I want an energy efficient house"?
When we started this 5 years ago, we were the first Energy Star 100% partner in the Greenville area, and we started it 5 years ago. And you talk to people about greenhouse or Energy Star, and they would ask you what color appliances and window treatments am I going to get. They really didn't concern themselves. Over the last 6 months or a year, with $4 a gallon gas, the consumers are really starting to ask about the efficiency of their home, because as fuel prices rise, they're looking for ways to save some money elsewhere.
We have about a half a minute here. I want you to tell me some of the places that I know you guys are real proud of. That
Yeah, we've
we
got
can see your stuff.
the Edge at North Main, which we're real proud of. It is a condominium complex. It's 100% Energy Star, and that's located right on North Main across from the soda shop.
And real quick, the other one in about
Kilgore
10
Farms,
seconds.
Phase 4 Kilgore Farms is going to be 100% Energy Star, and that's out Woodruff Road.
And it's all Hogan Properties.
Hogan
So,
Brothers.
get in touch with Hogan Properties. We've had the information up there on the screen, and we appreciate you so much.
And
you guys stopping
Patrick
by.
and Bill are over there waiting on you to get in the car.
We'll see you guys
See ya.
tomorrow. Thank you so much,
you.
Sean. Yes.